guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toothpaste slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squads for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toothpaste slime. So the ingredients you guys will need to make this slime recipe today is toothpaste, and I'm using this one by Crest. You guys will also need soft soap, or just any type of hand soap. You guys will also need salt. I'm just using the sea salt my mom got from Target. Then you guys will need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to take my bowl or plate out and my mixing tool. Also, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a bit. I've actually been sick with a cold, and I'm finally feeling better to record a video, and my voice sounds a lot better as well. So I'm going to get out my container right here and try to make the camera look a bit better. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to get out my Crest toothpaste. And I'm using this kind. You can use the gel kind too. I prefer this kind. And then you're going to put it into your bowl. Just like that. And now I'm going to add in my soft soap, or your hand soap. It's basically any type of thick soap you have, so I'm just going to use this kind. Okay, and now I'm also going to add in my salt. I'm just using the sea salt. You can use regular salt, like the Morton salt, but I have this kind around. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to take my hand out and I'm going to put it in my hand so I can gather up the salt like that. And you can see, I don't need that much, but that much looks like enough. Could actually just use a little bit more. Just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing this around. And now you can see it watered down. Don't be afraid of this. You can just add some more soap in there and then mix it up some more. Okay, now I have this really weird color, which is such a weird color, but it's like a greenish, like kind of looks like a nasty color, but it's not too nasty because it's going to make slime. But now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour to 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to mix it up, and if it needs more soap, add more soap. I always tell you guys that you gotta add more stuff if it's not working, especially if it's the soap. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second. Also, I wanted to say thank you so much, Roy Birch, for sending me this awesome blue butterfly hoodie. I love it so much. They have an amazing Instagram page you can check out, and they have a bunch of hoodies just like this if you want to find one like this. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and here it is. It watered down a lot, and that is actually the soap at the top you see right there. But when I'm mixing this up, look at this. Oops, this is not going to focus at all, but you can see slime actually formed, which is crazy. I feel like I should have left it in there longer now that I'm thinking about it. I'm going to put it back in there for another like hour, and I'll see you guys in about a second actually.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's been about an hour, and I actually took it out beforehand and started mixing it up. And oh my gosh, the green color is not showing up in the camera. But here it is. Oh my goodness, I'm going to try taking this out right now. I have it all over my hands because right when it came out I wanted to test it out. It's made slime. Oh my gosh. It's still so sticky. I left it in there for a while. Oops, I almost dropped the camera. But it made slime, as you can see. And it's a green color. You can tell it against the white container. I'm going to try taking it all out right now. Very sticky though, I'll say that. I added more soap, even more, when I put it back into the refrigerator. It's so sticky. Yeah, but you can see the green color is really pretty. It's like a light greenish, as you can tell against the white. But this made slime with toothpaste, which is awesome, and the soap and also the salt. This recipe was a huge win-win for me, and I really hope you guys try it out. It is sticky though, but I'm gonna like play with it a little bit more, put it back into the refrigerator, and post more about it on my community page on my YouTube channel if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, this recipe was awesome. I hope you guys try it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. This recipe turned out awesome, the toothpaste slime. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Put in the comments down below if it worked for you. If it didn't, I will comment back to you and give you guys some suggestions what you should do. But I love you guys so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no slime videos. And also check out all of my social medias. They will be linked down below. My TikTok, my Instagram, everything is down below. But I love you guys so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no slime recipes. Bye! I also wanted to show a little bit of slime ASMR. Here's the amazing toothpaste slime I made. And if it doesn't work for you, put in the comments down below and I'll try to help you guys. I love you guys so much. Bye!